Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. I just unraveled my cornrows. I had a really fun cornrow and twist out style. Click the iCard above to watch it. Now I'm just preparing my hair for wash day. The first step that I'm going to do is section my hair off into quadrants, and I'm going to pre-poo my hair. I have been pre-pooing my hair for years now, and I could definitely say that it makes a huge difference in the overall quality and integrity of my hair. My hair just feels a lot healthier, and I definitely recommend for you to try it. I am going to mist my hair with some warm water just to help all my curls just kind of relax and get ready for the process. I will be using this applicator bottle, and I will be pouring 2 oils in it. The first oil is grapeseed oil and the second oil is avocado oil. Both of these oils are really good, and they're also carrier oils, and they're just going to help with the overall health of your hair and scalp. I'm going to take smaller subsections of hair from the quadrant. This way I can really focus on my hair and make sure that I give it the TLC that it needs. Make sure when you are working with your hair, if you have to work in sections, work in sections. You don't want to rush through this process. I'm telling you, pre-pooing your hair makes a world of a difference. I am going to mist more water on this section. I want to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized before I apply the oils, because then I can really seal that moisture in my hair. I am applying the oils to my hair with the applicator bottle, and doing this makes the process a lot easier for me. I can have more control over how much oil that I am putting in my hair, and overall pre-pooing, it just really makes a huge difference. I cannot stress it enough. My hair has definitely took a huge turn when I did the big chop, and then I started pre-pooing my hair regularly, at least 1 to 2 times a month. My hair really retains moisture a lot better, and it's just overall a lot healthier. I cannot stress it enough. I recommend pre-pooing your hair. You don't have to use the exact same oils that I use, but even using carrier oils, you can add many different oils and essential oils. I have many videos on pre-pooing and where I do apply different oils to the mix, and after I have worked in the oils in this section very well, I am going to use a wide tooth comb and comb my hair just to make sure that my hair is tangle free and that all of my hair is getting the TLC it needs, and especially the ends of my hair. The ends of your hair are the oldest, so they definitely need the most TLC. So really treat your hair like a gentle, fragile baby, and your hair will definitely thank you for it, and it will behave. And after I've combed through my hair and make sure that my hair is really saturated with a lot of moisture, I am going to twist that subsection of hair up. And twisting your hair also really helps before you move on to the next section, just because you want to retain that moisture within your hair, and twisting your hair is definitely a way to help. Now I'm just going to complete this process on the rest of my hair, making sure that I do work in sections so I do give my hair the overall TLC that it needs. After I finish this quadrant, I am going to twist the 2 twists up and clip them together to make sure they're nice and secure, and I will continue this process on the rest of my hair. Now that I'm finished applying the oils to all 4 sections, I'm ready to put a plastic cap over it just to really help seal that moisture in my hair. I want my hair to really reap the benefits of doing this process. And I'm going to leave this cap on for at least 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I'm ready to shampoo my hair. My hair feels so good. It's super moisturized, it's soft, and definitely manageable. I I am going to unravel the twist so that I can rinse the oils out and then shampoo my hair. To rinse the oils out, I am using warm water. Fast forward, I section my hair into quadrants and I'm saturating my hair with water before I shampoo it with Kinky Curly's Come Clean shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo. It gives me a great lather and my hair feels super clean but not stripped of any moisture at all. My hair after rinsing this shampoo out, it just feels really strong, still moisturized and soft. And it is protein free. Other products that I am using, from pre-poo to shampoo to conditioner, are protein free because the rice water will act as a slight protein treatment, and I don't want to overdo it with protein because that will be no good. My hair will become brittle and can break off and also will become dry, and I want to avoid that at all costs. After I shampooed my hair in quadrants, I'm going to remove all the clips and just shampoo my hair in one, just to make sure that I am really working the shampoo in on my scalp and down the length of my hair. And I am going to rinse it out completely. After I rinse the shampoo out, I'm going to section my hair into quadrants again, and I'm going to condition my hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore Conditioner, and this conditioner definitely smells like chocolate. And because my hair is very thick, sometimes I do have to section my hair into halves in order for me to really work the conditioner in. But as I've already mentioned, if you do have to work in sections, work in sections. It's better that you do give your hair the TLC by working in sections than just trying to do it all in one and rushing it and skipping over parts of your hair. You want all of your hair to be healthy as a whole, not just some parts, and then other parts aren't as healthy. You really want that balance, so make sure that you do work in sections. Work in sections if you need to. Also, while the conditioner is in my hair, I like to use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair and just really work the conditioner in my hair, making sure that all my strands are soaking in the conditioner because I want my hair to be nice and nourished. And ever since I started doing this years ago, I will definitely say the quality of my hair is a lot better. Before, I just kind of smoothed the conditioner in my hair and it felt good, but after I combed the conditioner in my hair, it was just on a whole nother level. So I would definitely recommend to comb the conditioner in your hair while it is in there. And I'm going to continue this process on the rest of my hair. Now it's time to rinse the conditioner out, and I rinse it out in sections just because I really take time to work it in, and I just apply the conditioner to the top quadrant, and I just don't think it makes sense to rinse it out after I just applied the conditioner because it hasn't had time to really work its magic. So I like to rinse the conditioner out in sections. And I'm going to apply the rice water deep conditioner to this section from roots to tip. I really want to make sure that my hair is nice and saturated with this rice water deep conditioner. After, of course, I did saturate my hair with water just to make sure that all the nutrients can be applied to my hair. After applying the rice water to my hair, I definitely noticed that my hair feels different. It does feel stronger, which is an indication that protein is being added to your hair. Also, my curls are clumping together, which is a sign that I do like and that I know that a product is working for my hair. And then after applying the rice water to my hair, working it in very well, I'm going to twist the quadrant and clip it up and just continue the process on the rest of my hair. I have only used half of the mixture in these two sections. And I'm going to apply the remaining of the rice water to my hair and scalp. Next, I am going to put a plastic cap over my hair and I will let it sit for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, here is how my hair looks. My hair definitely absorbed that rice water, that's why it's not soaking wet, but my hair does feel stronger overall. Now I'm just going to rinse the rice water out with cool water. And here's how my hair looks after I rinse the rice water out and using it as a deep conditioner. My hair does feel a lot stronger and I'm ready to style my hair. I hope that you enjoyed my video and learned a few new tips, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!